For the repair of Hyundai PCBs, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 12-volt and 24-volt DC power supply and a portable checker. When we turn on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see that one of the two engines is working. When a fault is detected, the second engine starts working. Moreover, we can see that they keep memory, so after a current cut, the machine that were working start again. It is now clear that both of the Hyundai's PCBs are working successfully and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.